Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and home improvement aficionados out there. We're diving into the world of spray paint, specifically the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in flat white. Stick around, because we're about to unveil the best spray paint for wood available in the market. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, let's dive into why the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint is making waves. First up, versatility. The Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint is designed for use on a wide range of surfaces, including wood, plastic, plaster, metal, masonry, and even unglazed ceramic. So whether you're working on a furniture restoration project or a DIY home decor makeover, this spray paint has you covered. What sets this spray paint apart is its oil-based formula. Not only does it offer low odor, but it also provides exceptional chip resistance and long-lasting protection. Plus, it dries to the touch in just 20 minutes, allowing you to complete your projects efficiently. Coverage matters, and the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint doesn't disappoint. With each can covering up to 12 square feet, you can be sure you'll get the job done with fewer cans, saving you time and money. Smooth finishes are essential when it comes to spray painting, and this product delivers. Its flat finish not only provides a clean, even coat but also helps hide surface imperfections, giving your projects a professional look. Another convenient feature is the any-angle spray nozzle. Whether you need to paint from a vertical or horizontal angle, this nozzle ensures you can tackle any project with ease. So there you have it, folks. The Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint in flat white is undoubtedly the best spray paint for wood, and a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or professional. With its versatility, oil-based formula, excellent coverage, smooth finish, and convenient any-angle spray, it's a game-changer for all your painting projects. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you've tried this spray paint or have any questions, leave your comments below. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased product reviews. See you next time.